Hello YouTube, Yellow Jacket Landscaping. Did you guys see that? It's crazy, it's unbelievable. It's been raining like a week. And today's Sunday, sorry about the wind. Today's Sunday and it's supposed to be a sunny day, so we gotta get something done today, guys, cause we haven't been working like a week ago. Alright guys, come along with me. We're gonna go cut down a little small tree. And the Tundra got a new shoe, guys. I always wanted some new wheels on this Tundra. Looking solid, good. We just had a flat tire, so I gotta change this one. I gotta paint that one black. So let's see what we got here. We got a wheelbarrow and a ladder. We're gonna install a little drainage, and that's it today. Oh, we gotta go cut down a tree. So we got the chainsaw in the back right there. All right, guys, let's hit the road. All right, last night was crazy, guys. I think we had like a severe storm, 40 miles per hour. I mean, it was crazy. Everything was knocked down, mailboxes, trash can all over. I gotta pick up all my stuff. And it's supposed to be raining next week also. I mean, it's crazy. It's supposed to be raining the whole week. So today is the only day to do something. And it's pretty sunny, as you guys can see. Okay, guys. Come along with me and thanks for watching, all right? Alright people, we're here at the property. I'm gonna show you around what we're gonna do today. It's a small job, not a big major job. Alright, that's what we do pretty much during this winter season, but usually I pick up more landscaping. I do more landscaping, but on the summer I mow lawn, so which is pretty good. I'll show you guys around what kind of job is it. Alright, I love this kind of wheel on this truck. Check it out. I could have went more like shinier, but these are like more kind of black matted, not real shiny. Even if it gets dirty, it doesn't tell. So I don't want to keep cleaning it, you know what I mean. It kind of brings out the aggressive out of this truck. And these are 33 9.5, and wheels are like 20. Pretty good. All right, let's go. My cousin getting ready with everything. We're gonna be installing a little drainage, not a big major problem. Let me show you around here. Where's the drainage at? That drainage right here, we're gonna connect it right here. We're gonna take this off. You want it to flow through this one right here. Connect it to there, and it'll come out that way. It's already connected. All we gotta do is just connect a little piece back there. All right, let's go take a look at the tree. But where's the tree at? I don't see no tree. That one or this one? Guess which one, guys? This one or this one? All right, you guys right. This one, we're gonna take this one down. It's kind of getting bigger and bigger, and it's about to hit the roof. So the owner wants it gone and remove all this dirt right here. This is a birch tree. It's a pretty good tree, but owner doesn't want it, so get rid of it and haul away. All right, let's get to work, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below. All right, let's get ready. Look at this beautiful view, guys. This is Hampton Cove, Alabama. One I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna cut down this small birch tree. As you guys can see on the top of the on the roofing. So I'm gonna go down there at the extension and cut it down pieces to pieces. That's the tricky way. I'm sorry, it's kind of windy, guys. Just showing you guys this little view right here. There's my cousin right there. All right. Beautiful day, huh? Today's Sunday, the 24th. I'm doing a little work out here in this subdivision. All right, I'm gonna start on it. Be careful, man. Went up to the roof and cut off all the limbs, so make sure I don't hit no fence. As you guys can see, there's window, fence, power cable. So right now we can just drop it, easy peasy. We are heading out, checking out another job. It only took us like 3 hours, which is not bad. 3 hours. All right, see you on the next one.